About this item 56PCS copper wire lugs kit. The battery cable ends box includes 16 sizes 16PCS AWG 8 gauge, hashtag 10,1/43/85/16, 16PCS AWG 6 gauge, hashtag 10,1/43/85/16, 16PCS AWG 4 gauge, 1/21/43/85/16, 8PCS AWG 2 gauge, 1/21/43/85/16, convenient to meet your work needs. Heavy duty battery lugs. All battery lugs terminals are made of high quality thick copper with high conductivity, corrosion protection, and heat resistance. Copper eyelets or lugs can be welded or crimped, suitable for solid or stranded wire. Convenient and reliable. All copper lugs are dimensioned to general standards and are sealed to prevent leakage, ensuring safe connection and reliable use. The battery terminals connectors adopt high standard flares opening for